Ateneo basketball players Kiefer Alas and Sam Reyes believed they were going to die during the Blue Eagles team-building activity in Dipakulaw, Aurora that claimed the lives of teammates Rene Baterbonia and Divine Adili on June 8. Alas, an incoming rookie, and Reyes, an incoming junior, shared their side of the story on the Let's Talk with Pia Ontiveros podcast. The two said the players were asked to line up in thigh-deep water for an exercise led by assistant coach Dean Castaño. Then a series of waves, which Reyes described as bigger than them, pulled them away from the shore. Alas remembers being with Adili and J.M. Leal as they clung to E.J. Capihe, but he later found himself on his own. He says he was underwater for more than 20 seconds and at that point, he had already given up. Meanwhile, Reyes said he tried to help Malcolm Tyler in keeping Ian Espinosa afloat, but fell into total panic as he feared for his life, having swallowed a significant amount of water. Alas and Reyes say they floated to conserve their energy and gradually made their